it's me, your teacher, Sarifa, and today we are going to learn be clean and healthy. So let's start. So first we will take a nice color. So we're going to use sky today. Okay. So now we will go to infographics. Please wait. Clean surroundings. Keeping our surroundings clean. It is important to keep our surroundings clean. It's very important to keep our surroundings clean. Clean surroundings help us to be healthy. Our clean surroundings helps us to be healthy. Is this right? What the child is doing, is this right? No, this is wrong. Never throw garbage on the roads or in an open places. In a dustbin, you can throw. Of course you can throw, but not in the open dustbin. Always in a closed dustbin and always in a dustbin. Throw. And never on the road and open places. Garbage. Never. Do not burn garbage. It makes the air dirty. Do not burn the garbage because it makes the air dirty. Why? Because I told you in the previous chapter. You remembered in the pollution chapter, in the air chapter, we told you that if we burn garbage, then what happens? It inhales the air and this will be bad. Okay, wait. You can see this picture. Now see, some smokes are coming up. I think this is the fire. Now the not coming. Please, I'm really sorry. This is not coming. See, think this is the fire and it's coming. See, so much. That's right. Never spit on the roads or public places such as parks, roads and monuments. Never spit. Never spit. Why? Because the spit makes it bad. Never spit on roads and public places and such as parks, roads and monuments. Monuments no only. Parks also, roads also and public places also. Why will you spit? You will make our heritage bad, right? You are an Indian. What's your name? Use dustbins. We must throw waste in separate dustbins at home and public places. See this dustbin? Okay. Throw plant wastes like vegetable and fruit peels, paper and cloth in green dustbins. In green dustbins, always with plant wastes. And this waste break down easily and gets mixed with soil. This mixed with soil very easily. They are good for plants to grow. They are very good for plants to grow. Throw glass and plastic waste in the blue dustbins. So, see the dustbins? Throw glass and plastic waste in the blue dustbin. These waste do not break down and stay as it is. They do not mix with soil and are bad for plants. They are very bad for plants. So throw them in the blue garbage. Now we are done and we are keeping healthy and fit. Keeping healthy and fit. See, so nice doing this correct. We must exercise regularly, do yoga and play games to keep ourselves fit and healthy. We should play games or do yoga and exercise regularly and keep us healthy and play games also. You can also play games. Of course you can play games. An outdoor game is more preferable than indoor game. Exercise and yoga makes our bones and muscles strong. Exercise and yoga makes our bones and muscles strong. Okay. They helps us to learn the right way of sit, stand, lie down. They help us the right way to sit, stand and lie down. They keep us healthy and disease free. If you do every day this all, they keep us healthy and keep our heart also very healthy. Keep all the organs healthy. Respiration, digestion, everything, with every organ nicely, and they keep us healthy and disease free. We will not have any diseases. You see. Outdoor games makes us healthy, strong and active. See, they are so active. I told you now, outdoor games is more preferable than indoor games. It makes us strong and active and healthy also. Outdoor games makes us strong. Indoor games also is good. It keeps our brain sharp and keeps us healthy. Of course, it keeps us healthy, but outdoor games is more preferable. See, indoor games makes our brain sharp and keep us healthy. Indoor games is also good. It keeps our brain sharp and keep us healthy. Strong. Taking rest is also necessary for our body. Of course, taking rest is also necessary for our body. Sleep for at least 8 hours every night. 8 hours every night. 8 to 10 hours you can do. For your age, 8 to 10 hours. And your parents is 6 to 8 hours. Yours I'm writing. Sorry. It gives rest to our body and relaxes our mind. It relaxes our mind and gives us rest. It relaxes our mind and gives us rest. We feel fresh and active after a proper rest. We feel active and fresh. We are done. Now, word wisdom. I'm going to tell you. Word wisdom. Do not bend forward while reading or working. Do not bend forward. Do not bend. This is a very bad. While reading or working. Keep your back straight when you sit or stand. Keep your back fully straight. Fully straight you will keep. Not bend. Not bend. Fully straight. Straight is right. Not bending. Why? Because if you bend, then your spine will be back. Then anything can happen. It will be cracked. Or will be bended like this forever. And you can't fix it. After that you have to bend and go. Will this be right? No, this will be wrong. Your friends will laugh, everyone will laugh. In this small age only you will see. Okay. So this was our video. Thank you for watching. Bye.